sinabi kasi ni Mayor Don Melinas yung sinabi na hindi siya ayon sa relasyon ninyo ni Richard. Ano masasabi mo doon?
Nagulat din ako doon.
Ayun, ako. Walang iyakan.
Hindi. You know, you have to understand that,
sige, kung hindi po pwedeng
you have to understand that I'm very precious to my dad. And my dad's only scared that
naiintindihan namin
I'm gonna get hurt again, no? So, you have to understand that he's my father and I love him very much. And
pag naiintindihan mo na rin
okay lang, daddy ko yan eh. Siyempre, pababayaan ba ako ng daddy ko? Siguro, sa dami lang ng lumalabas, na minsan nadadagdagan pa, my dad gets affected naturally, no? It's very hard for me and Richard. It's very hard for us to make this business.
Nawawala ako.
I understand kung bakit siya nakapagsalita ng ganon. At mahal na mahal ko ang daddy ko. Huwag niyong kalilimutan yan. Ilang beses ko na siyang nasaktan.
Siguro yun lang ang iniiwasan niya. Kumbaga, bago mangyari uli, napaalalahanan
na siya nasaktan. At dahil doon, nasaktan din ako. So, I can't blame him. No? So, alam niyo itong business lang na to, ang dami lang talagang mahilig manira. Ang daming hindi lang yung mga taong, hindi lang yung press, hindi lang yung
kumbaga may mga tagalabas na nanghihimasok.
Tsaka, maraming mga babaeng walang pakialam kahit kahit kunyaring isang lalaki may girlfriend na wala silang pakialam, no? Wala sa kanila yon. And aside from that, nadadagdagan pa ng minsan intriga, syempre. You know, I swore to myself a long time ago I would never cry on television again. But I hate this I get emotional. But you know, it's very hard. It's very hard to keep up. It's very hard to keep a relationship. Is in this business, no? Lalo't pareho kaming artista. Mahirap. Minsan, iniisip mo sumuko. Nakikita nyo naman, magaling akong artista. Kahit nung naghiwalay kami ni Gabby, ang saya-saya ko lagi lumalabas sa show.
Mahal mo pa rin si Richard?
Oh, syempre naman.
Yun lang ang gusto nila marinig.
Pero ano lang, alam nyo, yung pagmamahal, mahirap yun eh. Kahit nung I hate going back to it, no? Kung pwede lang, hindi ko nababalikan. Pero kami ni Gabby before, nung naghiwalay kami ni Gabby, mahal na mahal ko pa rin si Gabby. See? But it was something I had to do, not something I wanted to do. And Gabby knows that. It's just, ang hirap lang ho. Alam nyo, kala nyo si Sharon Cuneta, porque mega star, ang saya-saya. Pag uwi ko, napakalungkot ko. Nag-iisa.
Sorry Dino, dahil medyo nakakawalaan kami lahat ngayon dito.
Humihingi po ako ng paumanhin sa inyo. I'm not gonna allow these events to change the way I am or the quality of my life. So you can keep looking up to me because you can be sure that whatever I go through personally, I will always give you my best in my performances and I will always try my best to live up to your expectations. Mahal na mahal ko po kayo. Tandaan niyo po, kung wala ho kayo, wala ako dito.
That's Sharon. If you've been loving and following her from way back, you'd know that's how she is. She is strongly emotional. That's why she shares her pain to her audience, often unintendedly. But this inspires a lot of people because she allows them to see her fall. Then she'll pick herself up again. She grew up in a loving environment. That's why she has so much love to give. And the same reason why she gets hurt so easily. A lot of people don't understand what comes with knowing her or loving her. If Sharon is ruining your life by being herself, scroll up. That's simple.